Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today in the dynamic and vibrant community of Ramsay, just steps away from downtown, the Bow River. Ramsay has always been a very sought after community, known for its history and artistic vibe. Now we're only about a block away from a beautifully renovated bungalow on an incredible, almost a quarter-acre lot. So let's go head on over. Welcome back. Isn't this stunning? This is 0.22 of an acre lot, almost 10,000 square feet. Now, what I absolutely love about this home is as soon as you come in through this beautiful front entry with the French doors, you open into such a nice, flowing, open concept layout. Love the pot lights and the flat ceilings. Now, this is the original oak floors that was recently refinished. There's a ton of windows in this home. They've all been replaced. They've all been updated. It flows to a really nice dining area and kitchen with quartz countertop and stainless steel appliances. This bay window has a really nice view of the backyard. Just such a tremendous setting. Now this was originally 2 bedrooms that's been converted into one very large master. Could always be switched back. Love the barn door feature. And a updated bathroom with the tile floors, new vanity and toilet. There's a really cool lighting as well in the home that really keeps to the mid-century charm. You notice the side entrance that we just passed, but there's also a private backyard entrance as well. This would be just such a nice entrance for a tenant or extended guests. Common laundry area. There is a full kitchenette down here as well. Great storage with a high efficiency furnace. There's been a lot of recent updates down here as well. New floors, paint throughout. 3 large bedrooms down here. And you'll notice these large windows. There's so much natural light in this home. And down here specifically, you really don't feel like you are in a basement. You have great ceiling height, flat ceilings, and of course these windows Well, and there you have it, a beautiful blend of the mid-century charm and a little bit of modern touches and conveniences. If you guys have any questions about this spectacular home or would like to book a viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.